Hello, today we're going to assemble the Quietfire purse. Now it's pretty simple. It's one piece plus the decoration. Make sure you fold up all the perforated score lines, and I always like to burnish them down to make sure I've got a good fold. And then we're going to do a little test assembly of the purse just to see how it goes together. And that's how it goes together. And you can see where the adhesive needs to go. So we're going to flip it over. And the adhesive is actually only going to go on the two back tabs. And you can use whatever adhesive you're comfortable with. I like this tape for heavy duty stuff, and burnish it down and the release paper comes off more easily, usually. And then we're just going to stick it together. And like I say, it's just those two flaps. And that's it. Next, we're going to look at the little decoration, and it comes in 3 pieces, and you don't have to use all 3. That's 2 of them, and you can just use it like that. If you happen to have 3 different colors of pink, awesome. So these are all the little dots that I've given you. I cut them out of gold, and I'm going to stick them on glue dots, micro glue dots. And if you have pearls or diamonds or some sort of decoration that'll fit on here like this, you might want to use that instead and give it a bit more glitz. So I'm going to assemble it like that. And then I'm going to stick it right on the front there. Then you just need to choose some pretty ribbon. And just make sure you make your knot big enough so it doesn't pull through the hole. It'll depend a bit on what size ribbon you use. And you might have to tiddly it a bit. Oh, coming right along. Now, I decided to use clear Velcro dots because that's what I had handy. So I put them together and then closed it in position, and the one dot stayed perfectly positioned. Now I'm going to rub it down a bit because it was just tacked on lightly. And oh, look! Oh, that's so cute. I think you want 10 of them. Okay, there you go. There is the little purse in honor of Barbie, of course. And I hope you enjoy making it. If you have any questions, hop over to my website and contact me through the website. Make sure you subscribe to the Quietfire newsletter to keep up to date. You can find me at Silhouette and at Cricut. And of course, make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. And you can do that by hitting the little subscribe button, and make sure you're subscribed to all notifications. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Happy creating.